Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's class we will be doing question number 3, 4 and 5 from exercise 3.7. In our last class, as you know, we have done till question number 2. So let's start question number 3. Question number 3 state that the length, the breadth and the height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Now what you have to do? You have to find the longest tape which can measure the three dimensions of the room exactly. So what is given first of all? The three things that is given is length, the breadth and the height. Right, three things are given and you have to find the longest tape. We have to find the longest tape which can measure the three dimension here. So as you can see the word longest, as in the last class we saw the word maximum, right? Longest, then we will be finding the HCF. If there is the word minimum, smallest, then we will be finding the LCM, right? So hint here is longest. So let's start finding. So what is given? Given is length of a room is equal to, what is the length? 825 centimeter, right? What is given next? Breadth, B-R-E-A-D-T-H. Breadth of a room is equal to 675 centimeter. Yes. Then what is given next? Height of a room is equal to 450 centimeters. So these are the things given in your question. Now what we have to do? We have to find the longest tape. So the longest tape means it is the HCF we have to find, right? So HCF of what? HCF of 825, 625, 675 and 450. Let me write the unit also, centimeter. Okay, so let's now find the HCF of 825 using the prime factorization technique. So 3, let's divide with 3 as because 5 cannot be divided by 2, becoming an odd number. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So it is 3 into 275 is 825. Next, 275 divided by 3. 275 divided by 3. 3 9s are 27. No, it's not possible because here we are getting 5 as a reminder which cannot be divided by 3. So let's stick with 5. 5 5s are 25. Yes, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so 5 into 55 is 50. 275. Next, 5 11s are, then 11 1s are. So what are the factors of 825? 3 5 5 11. Now let's do the prime factorization of 675. Let's check with 3 first of all, as because we have to start with the smallest prime number only. 3 2 is 6, 3 5. So it is 3 into 225. Okay, next 225. Let's divide with 5 only. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So it is 5 into 45 is 225. 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, then 3 1s are 3. Done? Okay, now let's find for 450. Okay, 5 9s are 45. I can do directly. 3 30s are, 3 10s are, 2 5s are, and 5 1s are. Is it okay? 5 9s are 45. 5 90s are 45. 3 30s is 90. 3 10s are 30. 3 2 5s are 10, and 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors of 825? The factors of 825 are 3 into 5 into 5 into 11. What are the factors of 675? The factors of 675 are 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. 3 into 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Yes. Next is for 450. For 450 you have 5 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay, so now let's start finding the highest common factor. So here 3 is getting matched. Okay, so you can write here HCF of 825 is equal to 3 first. Then yes, this 2, 5 and 5 is getting matched. Again, this 5 and 5 here is getting matched. Okay, no other number are there which are getting matched, right? So we can write this much. So 3 5s are 15, 15 3s is 45. Yes, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4, 45. Okay, sorry, here it should be 5, right? So it should not be the 45. The value here will be 15 into 5 is 75. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 15 5s are 75. Or 25, 5 is 25, 25 3s is 75. So I think you have got the answer now. You have got the HCF of 825, 675 and 450 as 75 centimeter. Right? So what will be the answer? You can write at the last. This will be the last page. Okay. At the last you are going to write the longest step which can measure 3 dimension of the room exactly is 75 centimeter. So you can write therefore the, or you may write 75 centimeter is the longest step. Let's write that only. 75 centimeter is the longest tape which can measure the three dimension that is length, breadth and height of the room exactly. Okay, so this should be written at the last of your page. So this statement should be written. It's very important because we are doing the word problem and this is how we get the answer. Alright student, having any problem kindly share with me in the comment section below. Let's now solve question number 4. Determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So you can see here the term smallest is mentioned. Right, so we have to find the smallest itself indicate that we have to find the LCM, but the another important thing we have to find is 3-digit number. Okay, not 2-digit number. We have to find the 3-digit number which will be exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So what are the numbers given? Let's write that. The numbers given are 6, 8 and 12, right? So now what we have to find? We have to find the smallest 3-digit number. So we have to find the smallest number. That means the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. Right? So we have to find the smallest number, that is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12. So let's start finding. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. 3 1s are 4, 3 2s are 2 2s are 2 1s are, and so what is the LCM? Just find out. The LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, which is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12 and 12 2s are 24. So what is the LCM of 6, 8 and 12? It is 24. It is 6, 8 and 12 is 24. So this, we have only found the smallest number here. So by getting this, it doesn't mean we got the answer. We have to find the multiple of 24 in which 3-digit numbers will come, and that will be the smallest 3-digit number. So in the multiplication, this is a rough side I am doing here. In the multiplication table of 24, 24 1 is 24. 24 2 is 48. 24 3 is 4 3s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 7. 24 4s are 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 96. 24 5s are 5 4s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. You can see here we are getting 3-digit number. So what is the smallest 3-digit number? That is 120. So by getting the LCM, we got 24. Now in 24 table, in multiples of 24, what are the numbers we can get with all this? Starting with 24, 24 ones are 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96, and 25 fives is 120. So this indicates that 120 is the smallest 3-digit number. So we can write multiples of 24, 120. Let me write with another color. 120 is the smallest 3-digit, or you may write is the 3-digit number. So 120 is the smallest 3-digit number, which will be divisible by what? 6, 8 and 12, right? So 120 is the smallest 3-digit number, which will be exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So I hope you people have understood this. So after finding the LCM, because if you consider 24 as an answer, it will be wrong. Yes, it will be wrong, because we have to find the smallest 3-digit number. So we have to go for multiples now. So 24 ones are 24 twos are 24 threes are 24 fours are 25 fives. You just saw this, right? This is the rough I have done here. You can do this in your rough side. So in the table of 24, you got 120 as a 3-digit, first 3-digit. So first 3-digit is 120. So first 120 is the smallest 3-digit number. So that's why we can consider, therefore 120 is the smallest 3-digit number. Okay student, I hope you have understood this. Let's now proceed to the next question. Okay, question number 5 state that determine the greatest 3-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So here the term greatest will not we are not going to go for HCF, as because we are finding such numbers, okay, which will be divisible by 8, 10 and 12. That means we will go for the multiples, right? So multiples we are going to find only for LCM, lowest common multiples. Okay, so whenever we do so, only then we will get the answer. By doing the HCF, we won't be getting the answer. So let's do the LCM. Let's find out the LCM of this 3-digit number. So the given numbers are 8, 10 and 12. Alright, so let's find the greatest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number is equal to LCM of 8, 10 and 12. Let's now find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are and 3 1s are, right? So what will be the LCM of this 8, 10 and 12? It will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s is 40 and 43 is 120. So what is the greatest 3-digit number? The greatest 3-digit number is 999, right? So we have to get the number exactly this or below this. But in case of 120 even is a 3-digit number. But after, when we go through the multiples of 120, say 120 1 is 120. So let's go with 122. It is 240. So we are getting another number which is greater than 120. So 120 cannot be our greatest 3-digit number, right? Absolutely. So we have to go for the checking of multiples of 3. So 30, 360. Again 360 is a greater than 240. So again we will go for the another number. 4 to the 8, 4 1s are 4, 480. So let's check with another number. 5 0 to 0, 5 to the 10, 5 1 the 5, 600. So 120 into 6, 6 0 the 6 to 6 to the 12, 6 1 the 6, 720. 120, sorry, 7 the 7 0 the 7 to the 14, 7 1 7 8. It is 840, right? Next number we have is 128 the 8 0 the 8 to the 16, 8 1 8 is 9. Okay, so 129 the 9 0 the 9 to the 18, 1 9 1 the 9, 10. So you can see here 1080 is the greatest is now touching 4-digit number. 1 2 3 4. So we cannot go for 120 into 9 as because we are getting 4-digit number with this. So we have to, as we have to find the greatest 3-digit number only, so 960 will be the greatest 3-digit number, right? So therefore 960 is the greatest 3-digit number, greatest 3-digit number which will be divisible by what are those number? The numbers are 8 10 and 12, by 8 10 12. So student, I hope you have understood the concept. So it doesn't mean whenever we have to find the greatest 3-digit number which will be multiple, right, which will be exactly divisible by 3 numbers, then we have to go for LCM every time. Okay, so you have to remember this thing. In our last class also we have said that greatest means HCF we are going to find. In this case we are finding with the LCM as because we are going with the LCM as because we have to find the multiples, right? We are finding the multiples, but in case of HCF we can't do that. So similarly, LCM will be the trick. Okay, in our last sum whatever we did, we are using the same idea over here also. So greatest 3-digit means doesn't means you will go for the HCF. You will go for LCM, then you will get the answer in such manner. You are finding the 960 as an answer as because 960 is the greatest 3-digit number which can be divisible by 8 10 and 12. You change this number, you'll get different greatest 3-digit number. Okay students, so I hope you have understood this. So in our last class we have done till question number 2. Today we have done till 3 4 and 5. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.